How to get verified on Instagram in 2022. There is one elusive social media status symbol you can't buy, which therefore makes it highly coveted and immensely valuable: the Instagram verified badge. 73.4% of Instagram accounts that had over 1 million followers had a verified badge. 22.4% were verified accounts. A February 2020 study revealed that only 0.87% were verified when studying accounts with between 100,000 and 5,000. An Instagram verified badge is a blue checkmark next your profile name that signifies you've been vetted via an Instagram process to determine the legitimacy and authenticity of your account. As a business on Instagram, one question you may ask yourself is, how do I get my account verified? Most social media services have some kind of verification process for getting the almighty blue checkmark on your profile. Verified accounts are more trustworthy than unverified ones and have a 30% higher engagement rate on average. This means you're more likely to attract new followers directly from search results in the Instagram app and increase brand awareness. How to get the verified badge on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and head to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the hamburger icon, 3 lines, in the top right corner and select Settings. On your Settings page, toward the bottom, you'll see the option to request verification. From there, you'll need to fill in details about your business such as notability, which is confirmed by